Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access the Stylebook in WordPress in just 3 minutes. Whether you're customizing fonts, colors, or your entire theme, this guide will make it super easy to reach WordPress's visual customization tools. Let's dive in. First, head over to your WordPress homepage. Look at the top right corner and click on the login button. For a quick and secure login, select Continue with Google and choose the Google account you want to use. Once authenticated, you're ready to move forward. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, find the Quick Links section. It's usually on the main dashboard page. Click on Edit Site to open the site editor. This is where all your design magic begins. In the site editor, head to the top right corner. You'll see a styles icon, which might look like a paintbrush or a palette. Click on it to open the styles menu where you can adjust your theme, fonts, and colors. This menu gives you control over your site's look and feel in just a few clicks. Now, the main feature, click the eye icon inside the styles panel. This opens a Stylebook, WordPress's centralized hub for all visual customization. Here, you can preview changes in real time, experiment with different fonts, colors, and layouts, and instantly see how your site will look to visitors. It's the easiest way to fine-tune your site's style without touching a single line of code. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've accessed the Stylebook in WordPress and unlocked powerful tools to customize your site's design. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quick WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.